Hi, my name is Manisha and I'm an oral health therapist at Dentists of Ivanhoe, and these are my top 6 tips for cleaning your teeth at home. Tip 1. Use an electric toothbrush with soft to extra soft head twice a day. Using manual toothbrush, especially if it has hard bristles, risks irreversible gum recessions, which can cause sensitive teeth and even tooth loss over time. Tip 2. Use fluoride toothpaste. Toothbrushing with fluoridated toothpaste proven to prevent tooth decay and remineralize enamel. If you want to avoid fluoride entirely, then you can try using hydroxyapatite toothpaste. Tip 3. Use a tongue scraper that looks like this. 60% of the bacteria sits on our tongue. To remove bacteria and prevent bad breath, you need to clean your tongue at least once a day. Tip 4. Don't forget to clean in between your teeth. Toothbrush only removes plaque from outside, inside, and chewing surfaces. To remove plaque from in between your teeth, you need to use a floss like string floss, interdental brushes like pixters, or water floss, and do this every night. Tip 4. The average person does not need mouthwash. So mouthwash is not necessary for everyday use unless you have gum disease, in which case your dental professionals will recommend you a specific type of mouthwash for a short period. Tip 6. No matter how good your habits are, you need a professional clean twice a year. Following these habits together with 6 monthly clean will improve your overall health and save you money. Thanks for watching and happy brushing.